Hello and welcome. My name is Luke, and in this video I'm going to share with you a little bit more of how this website works, unlocking the secrets to the member dashboard and how search works on this website as well, so that way you can get the most out of this platform. So let's jump into it. So as always, you've got to come to the Buy Local Sunshine Coast website. You've got to log in. You'll see the option at the top here in the header for member login, or in the Why Join Manage Listings. That will take you to the login page, share your login details, and then you'll come to the dashboard. So let's go through some of the extra features that's built into your dashboard. So we're going to use the left panel here. So let's start with manage listing, the same information that's provided here you can navigate to, and we'll cover that in previous videos on all the options you have in editing and optimizing your profile for Buy Local Sunshine Coast. You also have profile statistics. Let's jump in and check this one out. So we only launched this version of the website in June of 2022. So all the data is just starting again in terms of the engagement and interactivity with your profile. So you can see here, obviously this is one of the first profiles we created and used it for testing. So profile views and post views from May and June. Now what's cool is under this profile statistics, it will build over time. So the more interactivity that takes place in your profile, you'll start to get that data. So people clicking on your phone number, people sending you leads, chats, reviews, all those things will start to build out this table, and more comprehensive data will come through. So it's really important to us to keep it transparent, to know exactly what you're getting and what visibility you're getting to your profile page while on the website. So all that can be viewed in profile statistics. The manage leads section, and I'll open up my profile page so you can kind of view where this takes place. So when someone submits a request to contact you, those details go to your email address, and they're saved here in this sort of leads section, right? So if they jump on and send you a message or fill out this form here, it will go to your email address, but you also will be able to view those details in this section here. Chat messages as well. So if you wanted to, if they opt to send you a chat, or another member does, that's all done here, right? In terms of sending a message. I don't expect this to be a popular section at all in terms of a lot of people sending chats to each other, but the option is built in the website, so that can take place. Cool. And then reviews as well. So obviously this website will accept reviews. You do have some control of the reviews. So as the owner of your profile page, you can delete reviews. So if for whatever reason the review you don't believe is representative of the services that you offer or the products that you deliver, you can delete those reviews. Cool. So let's manage reviews. In previous videos, we've covered the different types of content that you can publish on the website and review. And in previous videos, we've covered managing your account, so billing information where you can update your credit card details, download invoices, check any transactions that take place. You can change your membership, so upgrade and downgrade at any point, update password, all that sort of stuff. So all that can be handled here as well. So let's now go back to my dashboard. Now there are a couple of other little bits and pieces as well. So in terms of this section here, manage listings, you can actually change the way you log into the website. So you can sync it to your Facebook account or Google account. So that way, instead of trying to remember the password, you just log in via, if you're logged into one of these accounts, then you'll flow through to the member listing website. You do have the option to have your account verified. So what we need for that, ideally, you've completed your profile page, which includes your ABN, and what we do when we check for verification, any information you can share that shows what industries, associations you're registered with, just so we know that you're legit, right? So ABN helps, registrations with industry associations help, and reviews as well. So if you can kind of point us in the direction of your Google reviews or Yelp reviews or Facebook reviews, that will be really helpful. And once we do that, then your listing is verified. And show what that looks like. So on the page, you'll get this little sticker here to show that you're a verified member, but it will pop up in search. So we go into search, you can see how partners, as part of their process to become a partner, they'll be verified. So you see a few here that are partners. but that's where that tick comes into it. Cool. We do generate a QR code, so if you do want to, use your buy local listing for promotional materials, you are welcome to use the QR code. We will be creating a proper Buy Local Sunshine Coast member logo, and you will have the option to copy and paste this onto your website, onto your own marketing materials to let people know that you are part of this movement and part of this group. And then scrolling down, let's get started. So I'm in the process now of recording all the training videos, but you'll have direct access to these here. But you can also view all the training videos on the How to Use website page, which is here under the Why Join section of the menu. You can upgrade your profile as well. So we've got 3 options at the moment. There's more on in the way. So if you don't have the time to create your own profile, you can reach out to us and we can do it for you. And we can also import your content over as well. So if you have heaps of blogs and videos, but again, you just don't have the time to move them over or to publish them on this website as well, we can do that for you. And we can add Google reviews to your profile as well. So to make it a bit more dynamic and having those reviews, you can do that. Let me just show you an example because we've added that to Marketing Broker. So click View Listing. So the Google reviews look like this, right? We can do this version or a carousel version, so they flick across. So we do have a few customization options as well. And we will be launching in July. So hopefully, potentially as you're watching this video, it may have already launched 3 more upgrade options. One of those will be multiple sources of reviews. So not just Google, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Facebook, a number of sources that we can use to make that a bit more complete. And they'll all just kind of flow into here. And you'll have a summary of the different sources of reviews here, which is quite cool. So that is coming soon. You can also give your profile a boost as well. So you can buy these advertising packages. They're on a 14-day cycle. So the footer ad, this is the one here that Kate Langford has. So that's the footer ad, which is on all the pages, including, as you can see, in the dashboard. Plus, we'll do 2 one-day boosted social media posts, ideally based on a special offer, but we can just promote your profile if you like, and a feature in the newsletter. The homepage ad is this one here, right? So in this case, Sunshine Coast Business Women's Network has got that spot. Plus the 2 one-day boosted posts and the feature in the newsletter. And then the sidebar social and 1 social post as well. And that sidebar ad, which pops up in all of our search results, not just on listings, but also in content. It's just here on the corner. Cool. We will soon release the below the header. So the premium banner ad space at the moment, we're using that just as we kind of get things started. But that premium advertising space will open up soon. And we'll have other, really interesting promotional opportunities and third-party add-ons as well. So there's a lot of cool things that we've got in the pipeline to, further expand the reach of your profile. Alrighty, so let's jump into search. So I've just clicked on local directory and to view all the results, right? So you can change the way it looks. So at the moment, it's just a list. We've set that as the default section, but you can go into this kind of grid look, a bit like how Pinterest kind of displays their content. So if you want to check it out that way, if you want, or if you prefer to view via Google Maps, you just click that option here on the top right, and then you can just continue to load the results. And as that does, you can start to just click through and kind of view the different listings, right? So really cool way of just kind of expanding, the types of, just more options for search. The keyword is really good. So it's really good at picking up listings, categories of listings, as well as content. So do check out the keyword search. It's quite comprehensive. It'll search the entire website to find you relevant content for what it is that you're looking for. So let's say I come across in my search, I'm like, birds in paradise. Great, I got a really good, I want to buy, a really nice outfit for my partner. I think Birds in Paradise would be perfect. So I'm going to click like, Right, now by clicking like, it will now be saved in my favorites in my dashboard. So if I just refresh this, go to my favorites, my saved members, and there it is, right? So this provides a bit of a shortcut. So obviously as the website builds, you might just want to have a short list of the listings you want to be able to have access to and reach out to. It's a really good way of having shortcuts. You can do the same for content as well. So if we go into special offers, right? Cool, and we go, this is the one from me, Marketing Broker Australia, so we jump in. We go, ooh, I like this one, right? I might come back to this. Same thing, we click like. Then we go back here, let's hit refresh. Oh, oops. So we'll go here, back to dashboard. And then post, saved by members. And we'll get this kind of short list that will come up here. So, oh, maybe it's in here. Oh, here we go, special offers. Sorry, it's in my favorites. Special offers. And bang, this is that list of things we want to keep an eye on. So just a really good way of kind of like personalizing your experience in the dashboard by doing that. So that's how favorites work. Alrighty. Cool, so just a couple of things just so you're aware of it. So these keyword search here is not just listings, it will search through all the content that's under the community section. So articles, events, coupons, you name it, all that will pop up through the search. So it keeps it quite versatile. These things are all randomized, but it is prioritized based on your membership tier, but is made random. These do randomize as well, so we'll make sure it keeps looking fresh. We'll use this to showcase ads and content created by Buy Local in addition to the ad spot. So you can see here the current Facebook ad for Buy Local Sunshine Coast is here through an embedded Facebook Watch video, category, news from us, an Instagram feed, all that sort of stuff. Cool. The other thing I wanted to share with you guys as well, it's the businesses for sale. Just to let you know, we do have this option as well. So if your business is for sale, let us know and we'll make sure it's featured here as well. So that way it's a bit of a short list of businesses for sale for people interested. They can jump in and check it out. Cool. And you can see for this one, obviously all our pages, as long as your Facebook page is public, we will get a Facebook feed feeding through here as well. Cool, and yeah, for them we've added the Google reviews as well. So yeah, so plenty of really cool features we've incorporated. The announcement bar, I probably should mention that earlier, up here. So at the moment we're using it for LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast, an event that's run in Budrum once a month. So the next one is featured here, but we can use the announcement bar for all sorts of local events. So for those in that professional tier that want to get our help in promoting the event, you just got to let us know. We will have that as obviously a paid spot in the future. So I haven't released that yet, but we will make that a paid spot for those who are running events. But I'll probably make that available for anyone who's running events, because that button in there just goes to a third-party page. So in this case, the event page for LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast. Cool, so that's it. I hope you found it helpful. Plenty of really cool features. We've got a whole bunch of stuff coming down the pipeline as well. So if you've got questions or ideas, feel free to reach out to us anytime. And thank you for watching the video. Remember, dashboard unlocked. Thanks.